Hello, everybody. I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you, and this is the first one I have for June. And it's from Sacredspace Crate. So this is the box, and we shall see what the theme is. Witch's wisdom is our theme. Okay, so right on top we have all this info, which is wisdom. Typically refers to accumulated knowledge, insights, practices associated with witchcraft. It encompasses various beliefs, traditions, and techniques that witches use in their spiritual and magical practice. The wisdom can include understanding herbs, crystals, tarot, astrology, rituals, spells, divination methods, and connections to nature and the elements. It is often passed down through oral tradition, books, and personal experience within witchcraft. She's scratching my table. Okay, I'll go into further detail after. We have our beautiful June calendar. And on the back, as always, is the astrology for the month. I think the TV might be a little loud, so I'm just going to lower that just a bit. Just a little bit so it doesn't overpower my video. Okay. Here I go. We have a blue paper, tissue paper, and the sticker says, "Embrace the whispers of the wind and the secrets of the earth, for within them lies the timeless wisdom of the witch, ever guiding, ever knowing." Okay, I'm going to put this up on the side until the end. Okay. Again, this is what it looks like. And we're going to start. First thing we have here, looks like my candle got dented. I don't know how that happened. "By flames light, wisdom ignite, clarity guide my sight. As this candle burns bright, may knowledge fill my mind tonight. Blessed be." And this is the wisdom ritual candle. And in here we have pretty triple moon with a pentacle and some crystal chips. It smells really nice, and it's doubled wet. We have frankincense and myrrh salve. Frankincense and myrrh salve this month. Doesn't have much of a smell, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't need a lot of smell because it is salve. We have a bubbled item here. My doggies are playing. Wisdom Seeker Ritual Oil. Wisdom Seeker Ritual Oil. We have a Palo Santo stick, small little guy here. We have a pretty blue sachet here. Looks like we have lapis lazuli, tumble stone. We have, looks like our herb. And our herb this month is lavender in our cute little jar. Our incense sticks this month are wisdom incense. We have 7 sticks of wisdom incense. And our main item is the Witch's Wisdom Tarot. Big heavy box. And this is $29.99 by the Hay House. And she also put in a pretty bag with a heart that says Blessed Be. And I'm assuming this is for our tarot. Oh, let me see if I can get, there we go. Okay, and that is the box. So, let's see what this looks like when I open it. I think we have this at the store. It's not a brand new deck. We've had it. I just don't remember what it looks like. I know I don't personally have it in my stock. Let me see. Okay. That's what it looks like right there when I open it. We have a big book. And then we have the cards. And this is the back. They're thick. They're nice, thick cards. So it starts off with aces of air. Let me flip this so it's right. Aces of air. So they're definitely different. They are pretty cool looking. And that's some of the air cards. Craftsman of air. Goddess of air. And then we go into fire. So these are done by the elements, which makes sense for witches. Okay. There are a lot of different cards in here. So these do not go like the regular tarot, for sure at all. All right. No. I don't think there's a major arcana, whatever you say in here. But let me just give you an idea. That's and we have water. This would be like the water. Cards. And then we have the earth cards. Oh, there goes my doggy. And then I guess these would, no, it's earth. Oh, maybe I did find one. Oh, I did. Wait. No, they're still different. But, so we have the world. Shh, Bella. I'm doing a video, Bella, and I'm almost done. So, quiet. So that's the major arcana. Up here in top. Okay. So I didn't ask you to.
Okay, but I was in it.
Well, somewhere I'll block you out.
You won't.
Because I don't know how to. All right, and this is Tarot Deck Concentration Spell. Infusing sacred energy into your cards. So this is the spell, which I love the paper. Really nice. And we already did the calendar. All right, so this reliance on wisdom, both personal and from the guides, underscores the importance of intuition, introspection, and spiritual connection with witchcraft practices. It is about tapping into one's inner knowing, the wisdom of the unseen realms to guide and empower oneself in a daily life. As you open this enchanted box, you will uncover a treasure trove of handcrafted tools and spelled oils meticulously curated to guide you on your spiritual journey. Delve into the ancient mysteries of the herbal lore, harness the power of the sacred crystals, and unlock the secrets of the divination as you immerse yourself in rich tapestry of witchcraft tradition. So, it starts off with the deck. Witch's Wisdom Tarot deck by Phyllis Corrett. Each card with a meticulous crafted deck is imbued with the timeless wisdom of witches, offering unique perspective on the archetype energies, and spiritual forces that shape our lives. Elemental energies, mystical imagery, elemental energies, and sacred symbols. And of course, it comes with this very big, large book as well. And then she put in a velvet tarot bag with the charm to protect your cards. Okay. Then we have lavenders in the herb jar. Unlock the secrets of the universe and deepen your wisdom-seeking journey with the herb jar filled with lavender. Opening channels of intuition, soothing the mind, enhance clarity of thought. A perfect companion for those delving into realms of divination. So we have that Wisdom Seeker Ritual Oil. Embark on the journey of enlightenment in your wisdom with our exclusive Wisdom Seeker Oil, crafted with the essences of frankincense and myrrh, infused with a full year of maximum potency for efficiency. Frankincense is known for its spiritual uplifting properties and has been used for centuries in rituals to help deepen meditation, enhance focus, and invite divine guidance. Myrrh, with its earthly aroma and grounding energy, brings balance and clarity. Wisdom Spell Candle with on top the spell. Crafted to guide you on your journey, infused with soothing aroma of lavender and adorned with triple moon talisman, featuring a pentacle at its center. The candle serves as a beacon of clarity and insight. Lapis lazuli. In the realm of profound insight and spiritual clarity, lapis lazuli is known for divination throughout history for its deep celestial blue hue and golden flecks. Night's remnants of the night sky, lapis lazuli is a stone of wisdom and truth, a perfect companion for your divination practices. Then, Palisanto, cleansing your sacred, uses a sacred tool for consecration and blessing your tarot decks. Harvested from the mystical Palisanto tree, South America, fragrant woods has been used for centuries for shamanic rituals and spiritual ceremonies. Purifying and protective properties. The Wisdom Incense Sticks is with notes of rich vanilla, patchouli, lavender, amber, and spicy carnation. Brings insight, inspiration, clarity, and inner wisdom. Then we have our frankincense and myrrh salve. Each month we usually get a salve. So frankincense is good for its anti-inflammatory properties, and myrrh soothes inflammation. So it helps support the body's natural healing process, reduces redness, and calms irritation. And then our Book of Shadows spell sheet that she's given us as well. And as always, our zodiac calendar. And in the back and in the front for June. So guys, what do you think of this month's box? I'm going to look deeper into the Witch's Wisdom deck, but I think that's a pretty good pretty good deck and a good thing to get in a box. It's a good value for sure. And I always adore her salves and little bottles. Been collecting these for a while. And I adore the calendar. Every month I look forward to that. Next month it says magic within this box. Next month is Kitchen Witch. She's done a Kitchen Witch before, so this is going to, and her Kitchen Witch is always good. So I can't wait to see what this year's Kitchen Witch is about. I'll leave the information about this box in the description below, guys. Thanks for watching.